Okay, this one happens so often that I figured I'd make a video about it. Got a dishwasher that the soap dish won't latch. And again, this is the first thing to check for, but it can be a deeper problem. I have other videos showing that, so don't get mad at me for showing you the easy thing that sometimes happens, because I often get calls about this, and it's just such a simple fix. But what it is, you go to close the soap dish, and the soap dish won't close. Well, every once in a while, what happens is someone has the dial in the wrong spot. So with the machine turned off, just advance the cycle to the beginning of the cycle, of any cycle, either hot, heavy, or start, but just before the cycle starts, and then see if it'll close. Now I've still got the door closed, so I wanted to show you what happens. Is, of course, the dial would rotate on its own and go around, and then the soap dish would open up. But if you tried to close it again while it's in that position, it won't close. So this happens every once in a while where someone thinks it's broken. All you got to do is put it before your start cycle, and now it'll close like it should. And that's all it is. Nice, easy one. Done it. You can check out my videos where I show how to reset the spring inside on some dishwashers. They're all a tiny bit different, but I do have a video showing that, because that is something that happens deeper if you do have a deeper issue with the soap dish not closing. But that's the easy one. First thing to check for if your soap dish won't latch. Your dishwasher.